start with the very first category and the very first award. The category, ladies and gentlemen, AI for urban development. That's the best use of AI in urban development, and the nominations in this category. The nominees on the screen: Ranchi Smart City Corporation Limited, Vehan Technologies, Ujjain Smart City Limited, and the winner, ladies and gentlemen, any guesses? That's Ranchi Smart City Corporation Limited. Moving on to the next category, that's the Best Cultural Innovation. Best Cultural Innovation, and the nominees in this category: Tumakuru Smart City Limited, Ujjain Smart City Limited, and Satapathy. And the winner is, that's Ujjain Smart City Limited. Many congratulations to them. If we have the CEO or the team joining us here from Ujjain Smart City. The next category, ladies and gentlemen, the Best Smart Energy Solution. The Best Smart Energy Solution Award. And the nominees in this category: Jhansi Smart City Limited, Smart City Thiruvananthapuram, and Oswald Smart City. And among the three, the winner is, that's Oswald Smart City Limited. If we have the CEO or anyone, okay, sir. Moving on to the next category, that's the Best Smart Water Management. Best Smart Water Management, and under this the nominees are Dehradun Smart City Limited, Nashik Smart City Limited, Raipur Smart City Limited, and the winner is Dehradun Smart City Limited. Best Smart Water Management coming from Dehradun. And the next category, ladies and gentlemen, the use of blockchain. Again, disruptive technology, best use of blockchain. The nominees are Whirl, Raipur Smart City Limited, and Devanagari Smart City Limited. The winner is Devanagari Smart City Limited. Ladies and gentlemen, the winner, knowledge for the best use of blockchain. The next category is cyber security and data protection, and under this the nominees on your screen: Aurangabad Smart City Development Corporation Limited, Devanagari Smart City Limited, Tumakuru Smart City Limited. And the winner, ladies and gentlemen, is winner, Tumakuru Smart City Limited. Can we have a huge round of applause as they come here on the stage, the team too. We have the CEO coming here to receive the award. The next category, ladies and gentlemen, digital inclusion and citizen engagement, involving the citizen, their participation. The nominees on the screen: Sagar Smart City Limited, Jhansi Smart City Limited, and Smart Kalyan Dombivli Development Corporation. The winner is Sagar Smart City Limited. Sagar Smart City Limited in digital inclusion and citizen engagement. And now we have the Green and Sustainable Smart City Award. Green and Sustainable Smart City, and under this the nominees: Ujjain Smart City Limited, Jhansi Smart City Limited, and Markaz Knowledge City. And the winner, ladies and gentlemen, is Markaz Knowledge City. Congratulations to you, sir. Again, he shared with us how the rural economy has been transformed and how through they've been able to build this sustainable city. The next category, ladies and gentlemen, the outstanding public-private partnership. Under this, the nominees are Raipur Smart City Limited, Belagavi Smart City Limited, Jhansi Smart City Limited, and the winner among them is Jhansi Smart City Limited. Congratulations to Jhansi. Outstanding public-private partnership. The next category, ladies and gentlemen, the Innovative IoT Deployment Award. The Internet of Things, deployment of that, leveraging on IoT, and the nominees are Ujjain Smart City Limited, Amnex Info Technologies Private Limited, Prutech Solution Private Limited. Moving on to the next category, Innovation in Urban Mobility, and the nominees in this category: Shimla Smart City Limited, Design Forum International, and Bengaluru Traffic Police and Arcadis. The winner, ladies and gentlemen, Innovations in Urban Mobility, Shimla Smart City Limited. For urban mobility, Shimla always been a tourist delight, and how they have been able to manage the move to the next category. Excellence in Smart ICT Infrastructure, and the nominees in this category: Terra Software Limited, Amnex Info Technologies Private Limited, and Raipur Smart City Limited. And ladies and gentlemen, the winner among the three, Terra Software Limited. Terra Software Limited being recognized for extending smart ICT infrastructure. The next category, ladies and gentlemen, is Smart Healthcare Initiative. The nominees under it: Jhansi Smart City Limited, Belagavi Smart City Limited, and Zoopsign Tech Private Limited. And the winner is Zoopsign Tech Private Limited. The winner, sending Smart Healthcare, the Smart Healthcare Initiative being recognized. And we move to the next category, Smart Building and Urban Design. The nominees in this category are Bengaluru Traffic Police and Arcadis, Design Forum International, Amnex Info Technologies Private Limited. And the winner is Design Forum International. And moving to the next category, that's the Best City Leader of the Year, and the nominees: from Tumukuru Smart City Limited, Miss Ashwiza; Belagavi Smart City Limited, Saida Afreen Bano; from Devanagari Smart City Limited, Virish Kumar. And the winner, ladies and gentlemen, is this is the city leader being recognized from Belagavi Smart City Limited, Saida Afreen Bano. The Best City Leader Award being conferred on her. The Best City Leader, we move on to the Best Smart City now. So the next category, the Best Smart City of the Year. The nominees, ladies and gentlemen: Tumakuru Smart City Limited, Smart City Thiruvananthapuram Limited, Gandhinagar Smart City Limited. And the winner is Smart City Thiruvananthapuram Limited, the best smart city of the year. Next award, ladies and gentlemen, is Innovative Transportation Solution Award. Innovative Transportation Solution, and the winner, ladies and gentlemen, in this category is Ludhiana Smart City Limited. Ludhiana Smart City Limited being recognized, awarded, adjudged as the best in the innovative transportation solutions. The next category, ladies and gentlemen, Sustainable Solution. Sustainable Solution Award this is, and appreciation, recognition to Saharanpur Smart City Limited. Sustainable Solution Award, Saharanpur being recognized. The next category, ladies and gentlemen, is developing best greenfield, smart and sustainable industrial cities. So the organization which has been developing this best greenfield, smart and industrial cities, cities which are economically progressive. That's, ladies and gentlemen, recognition to National Industrial Corridor Development Corporation Limited. National Industrial Corridor Development Corporation Limited. Moving on to the next category, the Best Socio-Economic Impact. Best Socio-Economic Impact Award being presented to Aligarh Smart City. Aligarh Smart City being recognized for the best socio-economic impact which they have been able to make in Aligarh. The efforts, ladies and gentlemen, we are going to be presenting the Certificate of Appreciation. Special Certificate of Appreciation, ladies and gentlemen, being conferred on the Government of Moscow. I would like to request and invite Excellency the Honorable Minister, Mr. Sergey Chermin, the Honorable Minister of Moscow, to please accept this Certificate of Appreciation.